National Bing hi khangajanga adamna Crystally makamaya rara da natumli rida hangaira kala kajang mamagda ara crystally makamaya kajunka shokhaira jiena hi khangajang adamna da itumna the kre John gabi gasang khani dija thada jishat remake up da ajiwi kamadaya baobing Kugi zo now being na Manipur Shorkarli, Jan Ngazek Hika Hangai Malay Manada, Kugi in B Manipur na Pongshok Haira. Atumna say Shorkari connection Aka Lila, Majut na Mili Managaji Hangli Shit Haira. NSN Yung Angala, Alpha Independent na Northeast State Madili, Indian Independence Day boycott kasang about Haira. Manipur Lila Gorgam Gala, Asuk na total shutdown Sara Ji Haira. Kangbok Bishong Bom Kangawagli cycle with former MLA Brave Wuti Haira. Union Minister Dr. Mansuk Mandavia Churachan Burli Ungda, DLO Skala Long Now Bingli Sampang Haira. Lake Yangator, Aja the Dangul Expressway Bao NG Shankui in a Bamidale, Bao Bing May sign at Nang Rumsa. Kugi zo we minganin bing li jingri kawai jan Zekwika kawai, Shorkar Garan Bing in a layer Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh na Gahangli, Kugi in B Manipur na Makamaya Pongshok Haira. Chief Minister we Duiji, Kugi zo now being the State Shorkar Framework alungli, Jingri Kawai, La Dui Kanga Mikwira Kawai negotiations Sasa Gajili, Mayangai the Kaleta Howard, Kugi in B Manipur Manipur Shorkarli, Jan Mangazek Kangai Pongshok Haira. Kugi in B Manipur na Turkami Jan Bao Tishurda, Kugi Zona, Manipur State Shorkarli engage Masamara, Manipur Shorkarna, Atumi Jachimit Kawai campaign Gasa, Kugi in B Manipur na Pendale. Organization Jina Ridala, HAC Chairman, Tingang Lungang Mewi Kangahot Kalan Gahaina Ji. Jiwi Maram, Karam Gajang GT Mishok da Gahang, Kugi Zona, Manipur State Government with connection Akalila, Majut Mamilui Mana. Community China, Kajot Kajang Sambang Gahai Gala, Atumi Dungli, Mashunma Gasamaram address Masala, Manipur State Shorkarli, Peace and Reconciliation Kirara Gaji, Realistic Masamana, Kwisam Gabai Maning Manada, Kugi in B Manipur na Hanga. Kugi zo bing wivang, Union Territory with legislative powers, Himang hina solution nada, Kugi in B na Hangsanga. Kala Manipur State Shorkarli, Jan Ngazekwika Kawai Kugi Zowi, Minganin Sa Kawai da, Kibakali authorized Masami Hai Managaji, Kugi in B Manipur na Hangsanga. Pay Derek Trada Fangatang, Independence Day Mamayon Kawai NSCN Yung Angala, Alpha Independent Nangabao Haira. United Liberation Front of Assam Independent, Alpha Aigala, NSCN Yung Ang Kaninina, Independence Day Thang, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland Gala, Arunachal Pradesh li total shutdown ngabao Haira. Group Kanijina, Janbao Gashokli Kahang, Ningkhan Ningajanga, Wisian Rijum Naubing na, Independence Day, Ngaya Sailung ay nahapog da, Ngazin Bungdisha day na dang the complete shutdown mayonda, one people, one region, one vision gajitui vali nganing kawai kasat Haira. Total shutdown adamli emergency services, bomb me ot, termarine we ot ngurut gazadli, makam maraji. Group Kanijina Gahang, Independence Day Kamayonji, colonialist symbol sada, Wisian region we Ningkhan Ningajangli, Namshan Kamina. Independence Day Kamayon hi, abam hiwang India with Zagashi occupation paning unkangasak, sifula kahai adam ngasaya jihaira. Indian Independence Day mayon kangasak hi, Sovereign D laying a circle shit Kawaidara Jigat Gahai, Wisian now being we Ningrin Ningajangli, Mugashit Ngasaya Jihaira. Wisian Revolution we Todrinjan li pay Derek Trada Pangahi, Black Day Ngasara da Hangsanga. Bomb Kangawogli former cycle MLA we Abrave Haira. Bawati sure that former cycle MLA Yamtong Haugi we brave, Zingum Hang Pangada Jiko. Charu Bala Haugibna, Kamakau Rikadali local ligasem, IED ngawag da, Jilisag Zuwi ina gatina. Ochochi Kangbobi district, Ikaw Mulam li Ashiwi Shimbam li Kashokna. police officer na kahang o chot ji so thang shun bung guthum shikhali shock laga gup thang thor report saya shimwi khamakhaw athothap alungli IED haisang mi ka haina jidale attack kasaji shimkur dispute leaning moong da investigate sadale mi do gukhui malai ranga Labour and Employment Gala Youth Affairs and Sports Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya Churachandpur Ungda District Level Officers Pingli Khurjan Gasa Samphang Haira Union Minister Ji Aya Ungda DC Conference Hall Mini Secretariat Dipongli Gazip Ungkhikaya Churachandpur DC Tharun Kumar Gala ADC Thangboy Kangdena Union Minister Li Churachandpur Departments Ngadateidana Schemes Ngadateida wi Otsada Kale Maram Gala Law and Order Situation Hangjiteya Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya Internally Displaced Persons Pingwivang Sports Materials Yaumiya Dr. Mandaviya District Chiwigatam Now Long Now Bingli Khurjan Gasa Samphanga Union Minister Ji Mazadrang Lakha Mini Secretariat Campus Alungli Thingrong Now Lingsang Mia Manipurli Independence Day Boycott Sagavai Coordination Committee Korkom na ngawda Paydarik Trada Pangathang Total Shutdown Sara Jihaira Korkom na Jithang Ngator Pung Aka Ina Tuida Pung Turuk Makaya Ina Dang the Total Shutdown Ngawaw Haira Coordination Committee na Kahang Manipurli Dandi Ina British Protectorate Azingli Zangasak Kala 1949 li India li Khangrum jila Manipur mi bingwi khamaya mazang lagasana da pay direct trada phanga thang India wi Independence Day khamayon ji boycott sara na gachi kapi shoka la khabak Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangleipak asuk nala August pay trada phanga thang total shutdown ngawaw haira shutdown ji ngathor bung aka aina thuida bung tharuk aina dangra jidale Asuk Nagahang, Manipur Gala, Northeast Region Gachungali, India wi colonial occupation Zadvada Khalena. Jithada Sada, Simik Shohi Ningkhan Wivang, Mangasala, India li Dandi Enang Rum Kangasakwi, Hogapok Nasaya da, Independence Day Momayon Kawai Asuk Nayari Ligasat Haira. Kolkata Dr. Sagathat Otshotli Makamaya Jitheda, Delhi wi Shorkar Arishangbing, Ajiwi Aina Services Kaika Kamra Jihaira. BTI bao ati shurda case jiwibang mashun bijar gaboli gadomda Delhi wi Shorkar Hospitals ngadadai dali services kaika adam magagla khamwara jihaira Singum tumrada aka trainee doctor akali dukmi hailaga sathat ka haina Otchochi Kolkata wi RG Gar Medical College li kashokna Doctors kala medical gadamna bingna makamaya phongshokda kathaka mashun bijar ngagaw dale West Bengal Health Department na RG Gar Medical College with Superintendent Lee Odbam wi aina khishok haira Trainee Doctor wi gatingun RG Gar Medical College with Seminar Hall li leisai Case jiwi accused li dukhida simik short trada mati thang police custody mi haira jia Khayona li mati kaja dandi mi khawai gabo ainang soda healthcare workers pingli ngak mi khawai matha maida yangsang khami bodale Delhi wi Shorkar Hospitals ngadadayda indefinite strike sada outpatient departments OPDs operation theaters shutdown sara ward duties madamara jidale Parliament wi official language committee members akawai Rajya Sabha MP Leshamba Sana Jobali la kapangsang haira committee jili members phanga zanga Rajya Sabha Parliamentary Bulletin atishurda MP Leshamba Sana Joba makhaning Members Kadei Madiji, Anil Sukhdeo Rao Bonde, Niraj Tangi, Dharmshila Gupta, Dinesh Sharma Kala, Sumir Singh Solangi Atumna. Atumli Committee Members Sakavai Yautang Kabangsanga. MB Leishamba Sanajoba na Maramhi ex Li Pongshok da Rajya Sabha Chairman Li Ningashimiya. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council CPI MSC na Chief Minister N Biren Singh resign kasabo haira. State to shorty resolve masami career State Chorkarli Ningyang Mokrung Pongshok da CM Biren moral grounds na awi odbam jiholu da CPI MSC na ngabaw haira. Ajawan direction ni thang Kangbok Bili newsprint kala printing watcher kate thodami haijila condemn sada Ochot Chief Minister wi Maisha na da CPI MSC na hang haira. National Highway li oil tankers li attack kasagala ambush kasali State Chorkar na matada mang hangama na da party ji na maghamaya Pongshoka. Stately normalcy kuyung kawai nga sansa gajili Chief Minister kala Speaker na mamayami tuwa da CPI na Chief Minister winning highly kang hansa haira. Solution pakui kawai kang asan li maning gasang pen haira. Tu shoti kupsang kawai kang ransa da Prime Minister aina Union Minister li ngasan kawai All Party gazip bam kawai Communist Party of India Manipur State Council na demand sa haira. Indian Army with Elite Spear Corps Than Kawai Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Bentharkar na Command Kwi Haira. Lieutenant General Bentharkar na Lieutenant General Harjit Singh Sahi li Kashin Gasana. Lieutenant General Harjit Singh Sahi na Army War College Mohoshong Commandant Vasa Haira. Assam Regiment li 1990 Kum Commission Gasa Bentharkar na Command kala staff positions nga datay dali Zingum Tumrada madi ordram nga tira haira. Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Bentharkar hi Jammu and Kashmir wi counter-insurgency operations li la zangahay line of control bam li infantry battalion brigade kala divisional level formation than gahay akaba akana. Indian Army 3 Corps with General Officer Commanding a Pami Mokwirang Lakha, Lieutenant General Bentharkar na Territorial Army with Director General Sasai. United Liberation Front of Assam Independent, Alpha Independent na Independence Day Mangale attack sabaya da Assam Security ng Sherlock aina leidalay. Hiwi maramli Assam with Director General of Police DGP GB Singh na hangkamadin la shokhaira. Security na take a ati sure da militant group China, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Lairat Bamli, attack sa kawai ngarandale. Alpha Independent Kabangbam, Aber Assam with security yang gasangli tandakale, DGP, GB Singh na kahang, intelligence reports ati sure da group China sagi da kale take haira. Independence Day kamayon sheikhut kawai sa dale da DGP Singh na hanga. Ka security forces na mathala kay na ngaran haira, state police, army, kala, paramilitary forces ping high alert ay na laydalay. State kala, central shokar na sazabay may kap kuchi, abamli security measures maling may kaway sa dalay da DGP jina hanga. Itum na taybay, 2005 kum, Themaji Assam li Independence Day Parade li bomb ngwag da, zakshila ka high otcho chokhay dalay. Remote control devices sing laga hai kami bomb jina mi thrada jishat sata thawa kadai dara khalila sa gzu shokka rak rai Independence Day thang relief camps nga tatay dali sat khang khui mi khawai ministers MLAs pingli ka sat haira Independence simik sholi MLA bing na relief camp mi bingli khongkhai ka ngarum khawai Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh na ka boss sai Marami ajawan thang Har Khar Diranga campaign with Diranga concerts li Manipur CM na kamaduli ka hang na. Camps li leida kalay bingwi kasag leida kalay thay kawai mi bing jili Krojan Saluda MLA bing li CM na kasatsanga. State du shot vi na shim nota ka hai meeting hang pangada jiko shamati trata pangang yin kui kawai Manipur Shorkar na relief camps shagatum abakni semiyaji. Kala pay direct rada pangathang, kuni thoti la hosang laga mass motorcycle rally sa kawai DGP Rajiv Singh li CM na hanghai rajia. Ex-VVF Welfare Association Ukhrul District Member Bingli Gichishat Leidale. Ex-VVF Welfare Association Secretary Ngairem Horam na Gichishat Atishurda Government of India Ministry of Home Affairs na Manipur High Court Wili Bausambangda Achon Gajang Marang Direct Tumrathang Gazip Bamhaira gazip chili members kai khana mara to the August 15 2024 thang motor bung thada akhali chairman ganre wishimli luba shakhani ship singla gara miser khawai khanawa sada khanghot kasana kachi gathana mara akha ijijawi kishiman sara da hangsanga ladluida ajiwi kamdaya baubing Kugizo Naubing na Manipur Shorkarli Jan Ngazek Huika Hangai Malay Manada Kugi Inbi Manipur na Pongshok Haira Atumna Se Shorkari Connection Aka Lila Majut Mamili Mana Gaji Hangli Shit Haira NSN Yung Angala Alpha Independent na Northeast State Madili Indian Independence Day Boycott Kasang Abaw Haira Manipur Lila Gorgam Gala Asuk na Dodal Shutdown Sara Ji Haira Kangbok Bi Shong Bom Khangawagli Cycle with former MLA Brave Wuti Haira Union Minister Dr. Mansuk Manda via Churachan Burli Ungda DLO Skala Long Now Bingli Sampang Haira Ajawi Pau Hiling Jang Haira Pau Nada Kleina Tum Cycle Rally Ringapagala Kamahaya Zimi Shong Asaser Rano